tried out for the track team today.
What?
Are you serious? With those chicken legs?
Ah, better hobby than yours, rump.
Hey, how come you never get mad at those guys?
Why should I?
Well, that name they call you, Rump.
That's just a nickname. It's sort of like my title.
What do you mean?
I'm king of the Mooners.
The what?
The mooning champ of Rydell High.
You mean showing off your bear behind to strangers? That's pretty raunchy.
Nah, it's neat. I even mooned old Lady Lynch once. I hung one on her right out the window. She never even knew who it was.
Too much. I wish I was there. I mean, you know what I mean.
Yeah. I wish you were there too.
You do? How come?
I spend my days just mooning, so sad and blue, so sad and blue. I spend my nights just mooning all over you,
All over you.
Oh, I'm so full of love.
I'm so full of
Any
love.
who can
Any
see,
who can
and angels up above have hung a moon on.
Why must you go?
Why must I go on mooning so all alone?
So all alone.
There would be no more mooning if you would call me.
Call me up on the phone.
Yes, I'll keep on striking poses till my cheeks are lost their roses. Mooning over you. I'll stand behind.
You'll stand behind
you
me
mooning forevermore.
forevermore.
Someday you'll find.
Someday I'll find
me mooning at your front door.
at my front door.
So every day at school I watch you, always will until I got you. There's a moon out tonight.
Hey, Danny, here comes that chick you know.
Well, Sandy, I think I have all the leaves shit I want.